Hello and welcome back to Dav Facts Channel, where we explore the wonders of wellness and nutrition. Today we dive deep into the health benefits of a seafood superstar, tuna. Tuna isn't just a delicious addition to your plate. It's packed with nutrients that can supercharge your health. Let's delve into why incorporating tuna into your diet can be a game changer for your well-being. Tuna is a rich source of lean protein, making it an excellent choice for muscle repair and growth. It's also brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and can even improve cognitive function. But that's not all. Tuna is loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, which supports bone health, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. However, as with any food, moderation is key. While tuna offers a plethora of health benefits, overindulging can have adverse effects due to its mercury content. Consuming tuna in moderation ensures you reap its nutritional rewards without risking mercury toxicity. It's all about finding that perfect balance for your body. Plus, enjoying tuna with loved ones adds an extra layer of nourishment to your meal. Sharing food with family fosters connection and strengthens bonds, contributing to overall well-being. Now, let's talk about the best ways to savor tuna. From grilled tuna steaks to refreshing tuna salads, the options are endless. Experiment with different recipes to find your favorite way to enjoy this nutritious powerhouse. That wraps up our exploration of the health benefits of tuna. Remember, incorporating this versatile fish into your diet can lead to a healthier, happier you. Until next time, stay well and keep exploring the wonders of nutrition. Please like, share, and subscribe to Dav Facts Channel for more insightful content on health and wellness.